Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a beautiful 1962 Corvette Roadster. Got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Pretty good, Mike. How are you?
Good. Pretty car.
Holidays.
You too. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. So beautifully restored. It's got a 5.7 in it, 350, 300 horse. How long ago was it restored?
2010.
2010.
Restored in California.
Wow.
Corvette Mike in California did a lot of the restoration, including the tranny.
Okay.
The original T10 4-speed is in my basement. I switched it out for a 700 R4 4-speed automatic with overdrive to make it a nice, easy drive. As you can see, everything has been completely redone. It's got a little over 5,000 miles since 2012 when I purchased it.
Well, that's nothing.
Well, since 2010 actually, since the restoration was done. New interior, new chrome, new paint. You see some pictures of what it looked like when it first got started, so you can see everything underneath and on top is done. New interior, seats, carpeting. This car is like it came out of the showroom 50 some odd years ago.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Runs and drives and cruises like a gem. New windshield was put in. Like I said, just about everything.
On and on and on. It's a new car.
It was over $100,000 put into the restoration. But like all restorations, you don't get back what you put into it.
Unfortunately, right?
I have two tops. I've got a hard top for it. I have about 30 best in show trophies.
Tongue twister.
Basically all I used the car for was cruising around.
Nice days, a little bit of shows.
Like a day like today.
Sure.
Got a brand new soft top on it that was put in during the restoration.
And the soft top is cloth too, which is super nice.
Yes, I did the upgrade.
It's like the Carson top.
Here in the Northeast, those things crack like crazy with vinyl ones.
Can you fire it up?
Sure.
Sounds great.
Sounds as good as it looks.
Man, so pretty. Let's check out under the hood. .350, 300. HEI ignition. Stock manifold. Oh, you got the alternator upgrade too. Very nice.
Electric fans in California.
Oh, nice.
So it just runs very cold up here, but I guess in California they felt the need to put the electric fan in.
It's always nice to have anyway, especially if you're doing a lot of cruising. So nice. Can we take it for a ride?
Sure, let's go.
Nice to have the top down, jeez. So it's a 4-speed automatic.
Correct.
So what does she do on the highway, cruising along, RPM wise?
Oh, very, very good. She's probably in the low 3s.
Wow, that's good.
Even the high 2s, depending on what speed you're doing. Very tight car. It's not like a hardware store on wheels. Got the original
I know what you
steering and brakes.
by that. Little shift kit on there?
So what's that?
Little shift kit?
Yes. Like I said, Corvette Mike in California put it in for me.
Nice. He knows what he's doing.
But the original T10 4-speed is available with the car. Comes with the car.
Cool.
So if anybody wants to convert it back to the 4-speed, you got it. Bell housing, tranny.
Cool. The clutch assembly is still down there, I can see.
Yes, you see the pedals still there.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.